Well, getting into the boating world was an adventure for me. I was 13 years old. I came to Portugal from South Africa. So as you can imagine, I went straight to Lisbon, and when I was 20 years old, I came down to the Algarve, to this beautiful marina where we're filming from today, Marina de Lagos. And I fell in love with the area and the people. By 21, I was living here. The marina opened in 1994, in July 1994, and I came in 1994 in August. So that's where my experience with the boating industry started. I was a dock master at the marina, and 11 years after, I set up my own company, also in the boating area, but more the maintenance and cleaning of boats in marinas. And then I sold that to a partner, and I started my brokerage business that's lasted 20 years since then. And now I decided to go in a slightly different way, where I'm more focused on the client, and I decided that I would like to give it a better approach to the client and concentrate a little bit more on the client and reduce things. And that's why I set up Alura Yachting. My first yacht sale was quite an interesting one, because it was also the biggest sale I did at the time, which was with a client of mine that I met. Still today we talk about this story. I met online. He asked for just information on a boat that in the end he bought another one, 68 footer. And we practically met online, and he was living on the other side of the world in Australia. When we got to the final stages, he said that he wanted to see the boat. So he came all the way from Australia to Europe. We met up in Italy, and it was the first time I had ever seen his face. Well, we spoke for about 2 months on internet, and not even on the phone, just email. And I met him then. So it was quite a funny adventure, because at the time I didn't even know if he was going to show up. And after that, he's bought another boat from me, also bigger. And we created a really nice relationship, and today we're great friends. I'm really, really happy with this new adventure that I'm setting up, and bringing all my experience to my clients and friends. Most of my clients are my friends. And I'm really excited to do this new project and bring a more personal approach to the yachting industry, and keep it as a close family for the future.